How to create unlimited Ghibli art for free. Are you seeing those Ghibli style art images all over your feed and wondering how to create them for yourself? Let's get started. First, open the ChatGPT app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. You'll look for the photos icon at the bottom left corner of the screen and tap on it. Now you have two choices here. Take a light picture, or you can pick from your gallery by tapping the photos icon. Browse through your collection and pick the one you want to turn into Ghibli art. Furthermore, in the text box, type "turn this image into Ghibli art" and hit the send button. And ChatGPT will transform your photo into a beautiful Ghibli art. Once the transformation is complete, open the image. If you love it, hit the save button to download it to your device. If you want more Ghibli art, simply go back and repeat the same step. There you go. This is how to create unlimited Ghibli art for free.